In front of me is OnePlus 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then choose Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current screen lock. Then hit Edit button next to the delayed one and change wherever you want to. When you're ready, hit Save at the top. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!